Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can change your Snapchat username. So first, go ahead and launch the Snapchat application. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Tap on your profile picture icon in the top left corner of your screen and then select the gear icon in the top right to access settings. From the settings page, select username, that is between name and birthday. A pop-up will appear informing you that you cannot change your username. You can only change your username once a year. And the last time I changed my username was on 2025, August 2nd. So it's not been a year, so I cannot change my username. So if the case is different for you, you can simply go ahead and delete the previous username and type a new one and enter your password to confirm the change. You'll see a message confirming your username has been updated. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.